This video is on Fischer projections. Fischer projections are a relatively common way of showing chiral molecules from a top-down point of view. They're not that common in chemistry per se, but they are very common in biology or biochemistry. So you need to know these. Right? They are pretty useful for multiple chiral centers. For example, we have these two Fischer projections here. We can immediately look down and see that there are two chiral centers to this molecule, and that the one on the left seems to be meso. At first, Fischer projections seem simple and easy, and it's like, why aren't we doing this before? But if you think about what's happening, it gets slightly more complicated, especially with more than one chiral center. The top-down view is not the top-down view of a zigzag. It is the top-down view of a fishbone structure. That's what we like to call it here. We need to have all of the carbons either on the bottom or the top, and the two things coming off those carbons either pointing up or pointing down, depending on what we've drawn. And then take the top-down view. You need to be able to convert a zigzag structure into a Fischer projection, or a Fischer projection into a zigzag structure. Here's a helpful tip. Always choose the bottom carbon to be the leftmost carbon. Then state that the thing at the bottom right is a wedge substituent. Then the one above that is a dash substituent. The one above that is a wedge substituent. The one above that is a dash substituent, and so on and so forth. And of course, the opposite is true for the left side of the structure. You then draw your zigzag with the same amount of carbons and put those wedges and dashes where they belong. And voila, you've got yourself your zigzag structure. Now you practice with these structures. You may pause now. And here are the answers.